Hello everyone, and welcome to the Hongkai Welding Machines YouTube channel. In our previous video, we explored the features of the TIG250AX PRO electronic welding machine and admired the beautiful, shiny welds produced by this impressive device. Today, Hongkai will guide you through the proper and quick installation of the machine, sharing the formula for creating bright and deep welds. To begin with the TIG welding function, connect the grounding wire to the connector at the back of the machine. Next, connect the TIG welding torch sequentially to the torch connector, switch connector, and gas line connector. Attach the grounding clamp to its connector and secure it to the workpiece. Then connect the gas inlet hose to the gas supply tank and tighten it with a wrench. Finally, plug the power cable into the 220-volt power outlet at the back of the machine. Switch on the power button and you're ready to go. We understand that new users might feel a bit overwhelmed by the control panel with its multiple knobs. Here's a brief overview of the control panel. The green knob adjusts settings for both regular TIG and pulse TIG functions in either AC or DC mode. The blue knob only functions in pulse welding mode. The yellow knob adjusts parameters in AC mode. When using the AC pulse TIG function, all knobs can be adjusted, and when welding in MMA mode, please note that you only adjust the welding current without touching the other knobs. Now, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's take a look at the welds performed by the TIG250AX PRO and the parameter adjustment formula for them. We hope the specifications provided by Hongkai can serve as a reference for all of you, allowing you to leverage your professional experience and make informed choices for each of your welds. If you encounter any issues during installation or operation, please contact our hotline at +84 287 30 36536 for the quickest support. And don't forget to hit subscribe below and visit our website at hongkai.com to stay updated on the latest videos and information from Hongkai. For now, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again.